Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making one of my mama's recipes. It's homemade beefaroni, and this stuff is out of this world, and it's a stick to your ribs kind of meal, and the guys love it, and I can't get enough. And if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is a pound of ground meat, 2 cans of tomato soup. I prefer the off-brand because I think it's a little sweeter and not quite as bitter. You're going to need a half a can of water, a medium onion chopped, 1 pound of elbow macaroni, spices to taste, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, oregano, salt, pepper, and sugar or Splenda. And the first thing I'm going to do is cook the macaroni and rinse it and set that aside. Then I'm going to chop up the onion and put that in a large pan with the ground meat and brown it until the onions are translucent. Okay, macaroni is all cooked, rinsed, and set aside. The ground meat is cooked and the onions are looking pretty translucent. Guess I could let it go a little longer, but this is good. Okay, now I'm going to add the tomato soup. And a half a can of water. I'm going to mix that in real well. And then I'm going to add the spices. Here's the onion powder, the garlic powder, paprika, oregano. I like a lot more than my mom did. A little salt. And a little pepper. And some sugar. And this is all to your taste. I don't measure. I kind of know what I like and what the family likes. And if you don't like as much oregano as I do, don't put as much in. Okay, I'm going to set this on a medium flame. I'm going to set this on a low flame and I'm going to let it simmer for about 20 minutes until it thickens up. Make sure as it's simmering you go back in and stir it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom, because this will stick if you're not careful. It's already starting to thicken after 5 minutes. Okay, it's been simmering for about 20 minutes. And it's thickened up real nice. I'm going to turn the flame off. And add the macaroni to it. And then all you have to do is stir it up until the macaroni is covered with the sauce. And this is one of those stick to your ribs kind of meals. And believe it or not, you can go back for seconds and even thirds. It's that good. Which I've been known to do, and it's not a good idea. Okay, once this is all stirred up, and you can serve. I usually use a pasta bowl to serve this up, mainly because it's flatter and it cools off quicker. And believe me, you want to get to this in a hurry. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.